Hey Rob, so here we go, a little session on imagejs. So notice that things can go wrong with imagejs, and the best way to make sure there is nothing bad going on is to open the JavaScript console. You can open it as its own window, or you're probably more used to see it down here. You can toggle between having it within the window or to the side of the window or wherever you think it looks better. So the first thing you notice is that the console is telling that the two libraries, imagejs and jmat, were loaded. Today I hear from Sean may actually be a bad Google day, so I'm going to try to load it several times to see if I can get an error. Okay, I guess I'm not going to get an error, so let's try a little harder. I'm going to load the image you sent me by email, and now it's loaded. And now I'm going to load the KI67 library. So if some error happens, you'll see it in the console now. No, they'll load it. So what has happened today is that at some point I was able to get a 500 error, which is an internal server error on the Google side of things. And this is the way you can find out if there is some problem going on there or not. Now back to the KI67 analysis. So now I can start with the nuclei recolor. That's the digital filter we developed. So now we can start looking for the background, looking somewhere here. And I guess this would be maybe something less sensitive. Yeah, there we are. So you could look at the original image to find out if you like it or not. So go back and forth. And whenever you're okay with it, let's capture all nuclei inverted, meaning that we are capturing everything that is not a nuclei. That's why we aimed to the background. Now it's captured. Let's now move back to the original image and now do the segmentation only for the labeled nuclei. Maybe a little bit more permissive. Or I'm guessing here. I'm not sure exactly if this is what you find acceptable. So let's say you find this okay. We now capture only the KI67 positive. So whereas before we're capturing all nuclei inverted, meaning all that is not nuclei, now here I'm capturing only the KI67 labeled nuclei, and we should be able to calculate proliferation now. That's it, around 0.11. And you see here as we went along, I don't see any errors, so everything seems to be okay. Alright, oh no, there's a little error here, so we have to take care of this one.